Yeah, that was terrible. Can we do that one again?
Okay, we're rolling. Yeah, I'm still rolling at the moment. So if you're happy to go.
Yep.
Christian, take 3.
I was initially interested in UX from a previous role where I was working as a relationship manager. We had a UX designer as part of the team, and seeing what he did in terms of the research, building a product around actually the user's requirements and the user's needs and behaviors, rather than just building the product that we think is the right thing, really stood out. That if you're not building it around needs, then there's not really much point even building it at all. I was mainly looking at master's programs at universities, but there was nothing really that focused purely on UX. It was maybe software development, which didn't interest me. And then just through a common network that I had on LinkedIn, a friend of mine had done the course and really recommended it. So I had a look, it was flexible, I could fit it around work, and within my budgetary requirements as well, so it was a perfect fit. Ooh, my favourite part of the course was very much the research side. That was really the side that interested me and the side that I've gone on to pursue, of actually working out what do our users want, what do our users need. I really think the biggest challenge was trying to fit it around working a full-time role. It was very flexible and it had lots of time, but obviously it is a fair commitment. But again, I was interested in my career and pushing it forward, so it was a commitment I was willing to take. Yeah, the support that the team gave was fantastic. You had a specific mentor that oversaw your group that was always available either by email or on Slack. You had just the UX/DI wider team that were always available, but you also had a Slack community of everyone else that was on the course and everyone that was part of the community in general. So I currently work in digital strategy for a digital transformation agency called Equator. My role is very much working with clients at the early stage once they have come to the company looking for assistance, typically around a website or an app. The course helped me get my current job really through having that university accredited nature. I very much believe UX is a mindset over a necessarily qualification, but having that and having the backing of a recognized body really put me up against other people that had maybe had a few years experience or were coming out with an undergraduate degree in software development or something similar. The biggest benefit was being able to learn from actual UX designers. The people that were the mentors and running the seminars were actual UX designers, and having that real life experience and advice that you could get from them was probably the most important thing, I'd say. I'd definitely recommend the course to anybody that's really interested in UX. You see a whole range of people, from myself, who was very much kind of account management, relationship management, to designers. As long as you care about people having a positive experience with technology, it's definitely the course for you.